Hi there, Manj Vishal from MyWeb, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a CRUD application using PHP Procedural. Okay, so first of all you need to install the XAMPP server or LAMP. If you are using the Linux, then you need to install the LAMP. If you are a Mac user, then you need to install the MAMP. I'm currently using the Windows, so I'm using the XAMPP. Here is my XAMPP server, and I click on the start Apache and MySQL, because you need to only need these two things, Apache and MySQL. MySQL is used for your database. Okay, and open my text editor. I'm using the VS Code and click on the open folder. Going to the my XAMPP folder. Yeah, here's my XAMPP folder. In the htdocs I create a new folder which is called CRUD. Okay, and select this folder. To click on the trust, and I click on the new and create a new file which is called index.php file. Okay, and I am also using the CDN of Bootstrap, so I visit the git bootstrap.php and implement the fifth version of the CSS files. I just copy the CSS files. I copy this and coming back to my PHP index.php file and create a basic structure of this HTML file. CRUD application in PHP. Okay, and after this I just paste our code of Bootstrap CDN link. Okay, now save, and I just write a header section for check our website is linked with Bootstrap or not. So PHP CRUD application, and save and check in the browser. I type localhost /CRUD. Now all is okay. PHP CRUD. If you are using the class name will be text center, and the text primary. Okay, and border bottom for take a bottom at here. Okay, so here is our PHP CRUD application, and after that I take two divs, like take a row and col md6 into 2, and yeah. So here we have our form, and at here we have our list. Okay, list of form data. Okay, has nothing to show. Now I'm create a form action will be action.php. Okay, and take input take a group form group, label for name and username, and input tag text. Class name will be form control, and the placeholder is username, and name will be also just user. Okay, I just copy this thing, Control C, and yeah, Control V, and this is for age. Enter your age, input that text, and this is age, and the name will be also age. Now create a button for that. Button dot btn success. Okay, yeah, success, and write the button name. Sorry, just say the value is save, and the name will be also submit. Okay, and this type of button is submit. Okay, now our form is ready. Okay, and before doing that, I put all this thing in the container class. So dot container save, and I beautify this file HTML here. Now all is okay, and it looks great. I take a margin from the top and teach -3 in every single group. Okay, and also in the button class, so empty 4. Okay, here is your save button. And now we need to make a action.php file. So at here I make a new file which is action.php, and if is set, sorry, we need to start the PHP tag for that. Action.php. Okay, and write if is set, if we got this name submit, then it will be working. If is set $_post submit, okay, and it will be working fine. So echo, I'll just type it's working. And also we need to put the, where is the form, we need to set the method of this. So method will be post. Okay, and check in the browser, save, it's working. Okay, now check again. So what is the name of our input field, which is user and age. So I just remove this thing and type $_post and give the name of our input fields, which is name, and also echo $_post age, and take a break tag for divided. Yeah, all is okay, and refresh, and I just write Vishal, and the age name will be 24, and click on the save. Undefined name, just okay, it's okay, name equal to user, so we need to also put the same name as like this. So here is, as you can see, here is a Vishal and 24. Okay, I put them into a variable. So $name equal to this, and also $age equal to. Okay, now after that we need to write a query for them. So $query equal to insert into, I'm using the test folder, so I'm going back again and write localhost / php my admin. Okay, and after that I'm using a test database, and okay, there is already a test user, so I make a new database. So click on the new, and database name will be myweb_user. Okay, and set the with collision and create. And also need to create a table, so table name will be users, and we just need 3 columns, which will be user_id. Set the table column name user_name and user_age. I set it auto increment, and set the type, the username type is variable character, set with 255, and this is also variable character. The user age is also set with the variable character, and the length will be only 10. Okay, set with 50 and click on the save. Okay, now we need to configure our database connection, so I make a new file which is config.php. okay, and let me open the PHP tag and close this. Now I take a connect, I take a variable which name is connect and write the MySQL connect function and set the parameters of which is our first pointer is set to localhost, so localhost, a username which will be root, password is blank, and the database name is, what is the name of this, myweb_user. okay, so I write myweb_user. okay, and now coming back to the extended PHP and include this. Sorry, I'm not including, I write a require _once dot, and what is the name of this, which is config.php. okay, this is the config.php file. Now insert into, and the table name is users, and take a name of this user_name, comma, user_age. okay, I put it in this thing, yeah. Okay, that's called a backtick if you are using this, and values is, yeah, $name, and put into the single inverted comma, and this is also 2, this is 2. okay, now run this query, so I take a variable name which is also run and write MySQL _query and put the variable which is query, pass the query variable, and if that query is run successfully, then it shows a echo script take alert your data inserted. Okay, and it's going back to the window.open index.php file, comma, and again double inverted comma, and in the between double quotes write underscore self. Okay, and close the script tag. Yeah, else write again. I just write failed. Okay, and it's also coming back to your page. Okay, and where is this? Okay, sorry, MySQL and also connect, comma. Yeah, that's good. Now I come back to my browser and go back. I refresh this. Now I write the name, which is John Doe, and age is 25, and click on the save. Your data inserted, and it's again coming back to my insert form. And let's check in the your user table. You can see it's a John Doe 25 agely inserted. Again I write my name Vishal Moore and age is 24 and click on the save button. Your data has been inserted successfully. Okay, and click on the save. Now it's successfully inserted. So in the next video I am fetching all that data into this page with a table form. Okay, so let's meet in the next video and stay with me. Happy coding.